Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our group, and today a group of us want to make a presentation about the revolution we are making, which is we are making a washing machine, which this washing machine is 3-in-1, that is can wash, dry and fold clothes. We made this machine because people nowadays are so busy with work that they don't have time to do their work at home. Therefore, immediately with this increasingly modern and advanced age, the existence of technology that can facilitate human affairs should be established in order to facilitate these busy human affairs. Therefore, we want to create a plan of one of the machines that can facilitate human affairs with these worldly affairs, which is a machine that can do 3 jobs at once, which is the work of machine washing, drying and folding clothes. So, to completely clean the garments, the washing machine will include a washing chamber with a variety of water jets and agitators. It will include many wash cycles, including delicate, regular, and heavy duty, to accommodate various fabric kinds and soiling levels. So, of course, we are so concerned about the quality of this product. The quality of the product is very important because it is the main reason that this product can last a long time in the market or not. At the beginning of the launch of this product, it may get a warm welcome from buyers. But year after year, if this product is not good for the quality, this product is no longer trusted and no one wants to use this product anymore. So that is all from us. Thank you so much.